that respect is everything, that treating others with graciousness and empathy is the only pathway to a more peaceful world. Dr. King knew it, Danielle knows it, and all of you who are up early today on this cold morning, ready to march, are here because you know it as well.
I want to be a support to those people who want to do better and show them that what they are doing is wrong. It is not the way, Dr. King once said. The ultimate tragedy is not the cruelty and oppression by the bad people, but the silence over that by the good people. Tonight, I say I will no longer be silent when bad things are happening. It is time for the good people to stand up. Will you stand with me? Thank you.
Today, I know I can carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come.
Dr. King reminded us that only when it is dark enough can you see the stars.
But this crowd goes all the way back to Congress Avenue. Now, is that a statement?
Y'all all right out there?